In this video, I'm going to be talking about all the makeup products that I will keep in my kit as a beginner if I was not a content creator. But first, I want to mention that only makeup products that I'm going to be recommending in this video are the ones that I have tried and tested personally. First and foremost thing that you need in your makeup kit is a moisturizer. Moisturizer is very subjective and depends on the skin type that you have. If you have normal to oily skin, you can use a gel-based moisturizer. I like to use this aloe vera gel from Mamaearth. It sits really well under your makeup. But if you have dry skin, you can try moisturizer from Simple. As for your lips, you can use any of your favorite lip balm. I like to use the same old Vaseline. It's super affordable and does its job really well. Next, you need an oil controlling primer to control all that oiliness and greasiness and make your makeup last longer. Technically, you can skip it if you have dry skin, but my oily skin girlies needs to have it in their makeup kit. For that, I have two recommendations here. First up, we have Insight Pore Minimizing Primer. Now, this has a silicone-based formula that is going to be really helpful if you have a lot of texture and open pores on your face. But if you don't have a lot of texture on your face, you can go with this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Primer. It has a very cream to gel sort of consistency. Next, you need a good quality concealer that is a best possible match to your skin tone to conceal your dark circles or any hyperpigmentation on your face. Try to find a shade that matches your skin tone. Don't go lighter with your concealer, it's going to turn out ashy. My first recommendation will be concealers from LA Girl. They have a very huge shade range, so pretty much any one of you can find your concealer in this one. This concealer has a medium to buildable coverage and gives you a natural finish and lasts you pretty much the entire day. But if you are fair to medium skin tone, you should try this one. It has the best formula under this price. It is super long lasting and gives you full coverage. Only downside will be the limited shade range, as they forget to launch shades for deeper skin tones in India. Next, you need to have a blush to add a flush of color to your face. And here also I have two recommendations. First, we have Creme Blush from K-Beauty in the shade Rustic Rush. This blush has a thick moussey texture and gives you a matte finish. This blush is perfect for oily skin people and the shade is going to look stunning on brown girlies. Next blush is from Mars Blush R range in the shade Night Glow. Though this blush has a lumi matte finish, it's super long lasting, so I feel it's going to suit almost each skin type. Next, you need a powder to set your creme products, your concealer, your blush, and the powders legit blurs your pores. I will advise you to start with compact powder as they're super beginner friendly and travel friendly. Also, pressed powders give you more coverage as compared to your loose powders, so can be a perfect addition to your kit. Next, you need a bronzer to add some warmth and structure to your face. Bronzer is very much optional. It's your preference if you want to buy it, but in case you want to, I would highly advise you to try this one from Makeup Revolution. This one is in the shade Gobi, but if you have deeper skin tone than mine, you are going to find another deeper shade in this one. This bronzer has just the right warmth. It's not going to look orange on your face. When we talk about eye makeup, you need to have a good brow pencil in your makeup kit. Your brows add structure to your face and literally makes or breaks your makeup. And I want to recommend this micro brow pencil from NYX. It has a very fine tip that allows you to draw hair-like strands. This one is actually said to be a dupe for the cult favorite Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. And it's no big secret that we Indians love our kajal. So you need to have a black gold in your makeup kit. You can try this one from Plum. It has a very good color payoff. Lasts pretty long in your eyes. It's super friendly for sensitive eyes. It's not going to burn your eyes and it is not going to budge once it settles down. And how can we forget about eyeshadow palette? So if you want a versatile eyeshadow palette that has neutral to colorful shades, shimmers and glitters, then you need to try this Shringar eyeshadow palette from Mars Cosmetics. I would not recommend a waterproof mascara for daily wear. It is going to suck the life out of your lashes. Instead, try a water-resistant mascara like this one from Staze 929. It's a tubing mascara. It gives a very natural look to your eyes and stay put the entire day. And the best part is it's super easy to remove. And it's no brainer that a brown lip liner is a must have in your makeup kit. So if you have deeper skin tone like mine and you want a dark chocolatey color, then I would recommend to try this Edge of Desire lip liner from Mars in the shade Choco Butter. For the lipstick, you can try this Mars Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Bollywood Surprise. It's going to last you for a very long time. To make your makeup last longer, you need to have a good setting spray. I like to use setting spray from Maybelline in matte variant. And at last, I want to talk about a few makeup tools that you can invest in. You can start with this brush set from Mars. Quality is decent for the price you pay. I won't call it exceptional. It comes with 5 brushes for your eye makeup and 3 for your face. I have lost the foundation brush. And since you're going to be buying mascara anyway, invest in a lash curler. It's a one-time investment and it makes a lot of difference in your eye makeup.